Hello everyone, once again welcome to another video of my YouTube channel. Today in this full video I will show you how to fix can't hear phone calls unless on speaker on your iPhone. Lot of iPhone users are facing this issue, so here's the solution I will give you. There are multiple solutions, so please watch this full video to learn how it works. Now let's begin. Very first solution is turn on and off airplane mode on your iPhone. To apply this solution, first of all launch the settings app. Here you will see airplane mode option. Simply turn toggle on next to airplane mode. Wait for a while and then turn it off. That's it. Now I will show you second solution, and the second solution is restart your iPhone. Now launch the settings app and here take general. Now scrolling down and tap on shutdown. Now simply slide right to power off your iPhone. That's it. Now we'll see third solution, and the third solution is reset network settings on your iPhone. To do this, first of all launch the settings app on your iPhone. Now tap general. Here tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Now tap on reset. Next tap on reset network settings. Then again tap on reset network settings. So this will easily reset network settings on your iPhone. That's it. Now we'll see fourth solution, and the fourth solution is turn off phone noise cancellation. To apply this solution, first of all launch the settings app. Then here tap on accessibility. Now scrolling down and tap on audio or visual option. Now you will see phone noise cancellation option. Simply turn toggle off next to phone noise cancellation. Now tap on hearing devices option. Next here simply turn toggle on next to hearing aid compatibility. So that's it. Now we'll see fifth solution, and the fifth solution is reset all settings on your iPhone. To do this, first of all go to settings, then here tap general. Now scrolling down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Then here tap reset. Now tap on reset all settings. So this will easily reset all the settings on your iPhone. Now the sixth solution is force restart your iPhone. To do this, first of all press volume up button, then press volume down button, and also press power on or off button at the same time. When Apple logo appears, then release all the button and it will easily restart your iPhone. Hopefully these solutions can fix your problem for your iPhone. And if you still have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much.